Over the next few minutes, I will be revealing to you how to use apple cider vinegar for acne. And also, I will be revealing to you different types of apple cider vinegar scrub to boost your skin and get rid of acne. Make sure you watch until the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for your digestive system and may also help in reducing body weight. Many people also use it as a treatment option for acne. However, research is very limited in this regard. Those who have used it claim that ACV helps to soothe the skin and reduce acne inflammation. In this video, I will be showing to you how to use apple cider vinegar for acne and how it may help in reducing acne, along with a few recipes you can try out. Is apple cider vinegar good for acne? Are there any benefits? There hasn't been enough research to prove that ACV helps in treating acne. But the good news is, we have gathered some evidence that shows it might be useful in combating the bacteria that causes acne. Vinegar is extremely effective in killing many strains of bacteria. Although there aren't many studies to show that apple cider vinegar can kill the strain of bacteria that causes acne, the organic compounds found in the vinegar are found to possess certain properties. Let's take a look. 1. It may kill the acne-causing bacteria. 2. It may help reduce acne. 3. It may reduce the possibility of scars. Things to consider before using apple cider vinegar. Since apple cider vinegar is acidic, applying it directly to your skin may cause a burning sensation. Also, if you have sensitive skin and/or open wounds, avoid using it on your skin. Keep these following things in mind when using ACV. 1. Make sure not to leave the vinegar on for too long on the first trial. This is to rule out any allergic reaction to ACV. 2. Always dilute the vinegar. Never apply raw vinegar on the face as it may damage your skin. 3. Dilute the vinegar with water. However, there is no stringent rule about the water to vinegar ratio. It is better to experiment and figure out the best way to get the results you need. 4. Some people may see their acne getting worse before the condition begins to improve. To get the right results, introduce your skin to apple cider vinegar slowly. Now, let's take a detailed look at the ways you can use apple cider vinegar on your face for treating acne. How to use apple cider vinegar for acne. You can use ACV in 2 ways. 1. Apply it topically, mix it in your face pack or dilute it with water and apply it to your skin directly. 2. Add a teaspoon of it to your morning drink. Mentioned below are all the possible ways you can include apple cider vinegar in your day-to-day beauty and healthy routine for reducing acne. How to apply apple cider vinegar for acne. While using ACV, always remember to dilute it. You can mix 3 parts of distilled water with 1 part of the ACV and then use it. If you have sensitive skin, you may increase the quantity of water. For all the recipes mentioned below, use diluted ACV. 1. Apple cider vinegar toner for acne. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, organic, with the mother. 2 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Preparation. 1. Mix all the ingredients. 2. Store the mixture in a spray bottle. How to apply. Spray the toner all over your face and neck generously. How it works. Aloe vera can help prevent acne. It also promotes collagen and elastin formation and improves skin quality and health. Precaution. When spraying, close your eyes so that the toner doesn't get into them. Also, do not apply it to dry and broken skin. 2. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, organic. 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Preparation. Mix the baking soda with apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. How to apply. 1. Apply the mask to the affected area. 2. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off. 3. Follow it up with a moisturizer. How it works. Baking soda may help in drying the acne and reduce inflammation. Precaution. Baking soda doesn't suit all skin types. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test. Stop using it in case you experience itching and skin inflammation. 3. Apple cider vinegar scrub. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of green tea, 5 teaspoons of sugar, don't use fine sugar, 1/2 cup of water. Preparation: 1. Boil the green tea and strain the water. Let it cool down. 2. Add water and apple cider vinegar to the water. 3. Add honey and sugar. Mix well. How to apply. 1. Use cotton pads or your fingers to apply the pack to your face or just the affected area. 2. Massage gently and leave it on to dry. 3. Wash it off with water. How it works. The vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes give honey anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may help to keep your skin healthy and prevent acne. 4. Apple cider vinegar overnight pimple treatment. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of filtered water. Preparation: mix the vinegar in water and store it in a jar or spray bottle. How to apply. 1. Soak a cotton pad in the mixture. 2. Apply it directly to the pimple, not on the entire face. 3. You can spray it on the affected area in case the pimples cover a large area of your face. 4. Leave it on overnight and wash your face in the morning. How it works. The acids in apple cider vinegar dry the pimple out and kill the bacteria causing it. It also helps in restoring the pH balance of your skin. 5. Apple cider vinegar facial steam. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 to 3 drops of any essential oil. Preparation: 1. Add the apple cider vinegar to the water and heat it until it starts emanating steam. 2. Transfer the liquid to another bowl and add tea tree oil. How to apply. Bend over the bowl and cover your head with a towel. How it works. The steam helps open up the pores and clears them of excess oil and dirt. Precaution: keep your eyes closed while steaming your face. Do not bring your face too close to the bowl water. How to choose the best apple cider vinegar for acne. 1. The ordinary vinegar meant for cooking purposes should not be used for topical use. 2. Check for the organic label. Always buy organic apple cider vinegar as it is unfiltered and unpasteurized. The organic kind has a muddy, grainy brown sediment, the mother, and contains enzymes and essential bacteria that are beneficial for the skin. 3. It is always better to go for raw apple cider vinegar. It has no artificial flavors and chemicals to make it taste better and contains healthy bacteria. The regular apple cider vinegar is processed and filtered, which robs it of its natural goodness. 4. Never buy apple cider vinegar that comes in a plastic bottle. Plastics contain harmful chemicals that can react with the vinegar. Go for a glass bottle instead. There is no harm in trying DIY remedies. Make sure that the ingredients suit your skin. Also, remember that not all home remedies work for all skin types. Apple cider vinegar may not work for some, while it may work for others. In case you do not see any results in 2 months, discontinue and consult a doctor. Also, if you develop any skin irritation, talk to a doctor immediately. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have hand-picked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.